guys, long time no see. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. It's winter up north. There's not much to film. I'll get more into that in another video. As you can see, Ruckus, the drift stang, is on its way to the Big Indian Drift Pit shop. They got a new shop down there. They're specializing in drift cars. Let's get into it, guys. Ruckus is gonna get some love put into it, man. Car thought it was dead, got junked. Nope. God, it took forever to get down here. This dude's driving like a complete idiot. Oh. Well, he's doing his best. Oh yeah, she's unloaded. Got the angle kit in the trunk, the new headlights, the front clip for the parts car is getting taken off soon. So I'm gonna get her off the lift, go over there, have some fun, and then in the shop she goes. Oh yeah, it's like, I don't know, 25 degrees, snowing today. Cold day in Buffalo, guys. It's tough to be a car YouTuber when you live in Buffalo, New York.
Yeah, it sounds really nice too. Yeah, baby.
Burns a little oil, it's alright.
Smells good.
That's not good.
Smells like horsepower.
Inside the drift pit shop that they're building down here. Oh my God. Josh's GS400, the 240 with the 1UZ, and then we got an SC300 down there with a 1UZ in it. Ruckus, the Mustang, is gonna be parked over here. A lot of dreams are gonna be coming out of this place, guys. Gucci Customs is coming down here for vinyl wrap, so this is gonna be awesome, and this is just the beginning. Oh, we got Josh in the house, in the cop car. The new Big Indian Drift Pit shop down here, guys. This is gonna be awesome. Looking forward to this. Guys, do me a favor. Go on YouTube, subscribe to Big Indian Events channel. They've done a lot for me. I'm doing a lot with them, YouTube-wise, Instagram-wise. So please give them a like, subscribe. I would appreciate that. Oh yeah, guys, there's always something going on down at the Big Indian, and I'm so happy to be a part of it. But yeah, it's just been cold and crappy up here in Buffalo. We've had a couple crazy snowstorms, that blizzard, and then it's just cold, rainy, and crappy. So just not the best weather for an automotive YouTuber. So hang in there, guys. I appreciate you. We're going to have some more cool events going on. We're going to a Mopar event in Texas coming up. So stay tuned. I got a parts car I'm going to be doing a video on soon, shortly, so I can put a front end on Ruckus. Like and subscribe. See you next time. And I'm going to leave you with a little bit of fooling around in the snow. I don't care how old I get. I love screwing around in an empty parking lot with snow with my buddies. See you next time.
Oversteer. Come on, buddy. Yeah. Nice.